dear friends, here we have day 12 today, and I have something here I was thinking to work with. You are welcome to my channel. I'm from Sweden here. So I think we are going to glue the number on this one, so that is done. There we go. So and next I have some tags here. I was thinking to use layer some, and I have some leftovers. I think we are going to have a pocket over there, and we are going to glue this down. You see, a long one, small. We can do that first. So there we go. There, and some ink on here. We left it as it is, I think. We can always see how much time I have. We can glue some lined paper on the back. So there we have this one, a really tall one. And this one have we made before. Is a book page and a decoupage. Beautiful. So, and we are going to have this as a pocket. I was thinking we are cutting it off over there. There. Something like that. So doesn't matter how we do it. Yep. And then we can always glue a border like that, or we see if I have some red, can make it a little tinier. We see if I have a smaller one. There. can do like this. I think that. Some ink. We could have take some lace, but no, we take this. I have so much stripes and leftovers. Let's see. There. The scissors. There we go. Oop. There we go. We are going to glue it down. Okay, it's gluing together here. So I think I have to take another needle that is not made rust. There we go. And now we are going to layer some of my we have those. We see where we ended. I think we're going to ink around. We take this first, like that. So I think we are going to have a itty bitty distress ink over here. A small, if I take too much, so it's a fried burlap. As a poor retired woman, so I have not much money. And my coffee, no one want to pay for all my work. Okay, it's okay for me. Maybe you are poorer than me, so it's okay. So my friends, we can take this one as well. There. So. And now we are going to use this one. So. There, my friends. So. And we are going to have, I think we take this one over here. So, and we take the white ones over here. Take a green over there. We start over there, and we can layer them together, maybe like that. Yeah. We can take this one over here, like that. I think we cut it off. There are many ways you can have a layered. On this way you can always divide the tags again if you want to. So, there. I think we are placing it there, so we can see it. And here we are going to have this little fella, and this, some ink, so and we can always glue this one here. I am a couple of days back, or how you say in English, but it's okay. Dear my friends, a decoupage page we done before. So, a layered tags, and you have a long one over here. What happened here? So my friend, there we have it. Right? Thank you for watching. Bye.